You are most likely not getting the views you want on YouTube because of a few common mistakes that you might be making without even realizing it. In this video, I will show you exactly how to identify and fix these errors so that your videos can stand a better chance of being recommended by YouTube to a larger audience. Now, if growing your YouTube channel and reaching more viewers is your goal, then of course you want to keep watching this video, okay?
Ryan Little.
Hey Betha, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Betha and today we are diving into how to flourish on YouTube as a content creator. Now, over the past few weeks, I've gotten questions from creators asking if I have abandoned them. I mean, they have dragged my life. Betha, you have abandoned content creators. And this is obviously because I've been focusing more on side hustles and passive income tips. Well, today I'm here to show you some love, with some practical tips to help you grow your YouTube channel. Now, in this video, we'll be discussing some of the common mistakes that might be costing you views and just how to fix them, okay? Trust me, these are small but impactful changes that could make your content more discoverable and, help YouTube recommend your videos to a wider range of audience, okay? So if that's something you're interested in, then let's just get right into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is to rename your video files before uploading. Okay, one mistake many creators make is actually uploading their videos directly from their camera roll without renaming the file. Now, by default, these files are named something like img_00122345, which to me doesn't really make any difference and it doesn't do anything for your video and how discoverable it would be on YouTube. You need to bear in mind that YouTube is a search engine and millions of people use it daily to find content. So to make your videos more searchable, you need to rename the file with keywords or at least the video title before uploading it. For example, if your video is about styling hair, you want to rename the file to something like how to style your hair, or use relevant keywords like hair care tips, right? This kind of boosts your video's SEO and it helps it rank better. Now, to rename your files, it actually works differently on Android phones and iPhones, okay? Now, for the Android phone, what you want to do is go straight to your file manager, find the video, press and hold it. Then, of course, tap rename, then enter your video title or your keywords. Now, for iPhone, it's slightly different. What you want to do is open your photos or videos app, press and hold the particular video and select save to files. Now, once you do that, you want to change the file name to your video title or the keywords like I mentioned. Now I have selected the video that I want to rename. All I need to do now is click on the share icon at the bottom left of my screen. And of course, these whole options will pop up. Scroll all the way till you find save to files. Click on that. Like I said, see all the numbers that is showing. It has no relevance to your video. Now you want to rename the video to suit the title or the keywords. For example, I'm going to be renaming mine how to grow your YouTube channel, and that's all I'm going to be typing out here. And then of course go ahead to save it. And of course, once you're trying to upload to YouTube, you want to select choose files from your YouTube dashboard. And then of course, go ahead, locate the renamed file and upload. It's that simple. Trust me, guys, this simple step actually ensures your video's file name reflects what people are searching for, making it more likely to show up in the search results. Okay. Now, the second thing you can do is to use relevant tags and keywords. Okay. Tags and keywords are very essential for telling YouTube what your video is about. Unfortunately, many creators either skip this step or they use irrelevant tags. Guys, I see this all the time. Okay, for example, if your video is about cooking, what is your business with using hashtags like hashtags marketing strategies, hashtag business tips, guys, you don't need all of that. To make the most of your tags, you need to use keywords that relate to your topic and also make sure to include variations of your main keyword. For instance, if your video is about how to grow on YouTube, you need to use tags like hashtag YouTube growth tips, hashtag get more views, hashtag grow on YouTube. Like, these are the kind of hashtags you should be thinking about and not marketing strategies, okay? Something else you can also do is to update your channel keywords in the YouTube studio. All right, so to do this, you want to go to your settings on YouTube dashboard. Then of course select channel and then select basic info. And at this point you'll be required to add the keywords that summarizes your channel's content. So for example, if you're a food blogger, you want to focus on, hashtags that reflect what food blogging is about, hashtag how to cook, hashtag cook with me, hashtag just something relating to your content and something that summarizes what your entire channel is about. What this does for you is it actually helps YouTube recommend your content to the right audience, ensuring that your videos don't just get lost in the sea of creators, because trust me, there are thousands and millions of content creators here on YouTube, okay? Another often overlooked step is setting the correct video category during uploads. Guys, YouTube allows you to categorize your content, be it education, entertainment, lifestyle, sports. All of these things put together actually helps the algorithm recommend your videos to the right audience. For example, if you're creating lifestyle vlogs, you need to select lifestyle as the category. If your content is educational, please choose education, don't choose sports, because mismatched categories actually confuses the algorithm and your video might just end up being shown to the wrong audience, leading to low engagement and low revenue. Okay, so to set your category, you want to go to your YouTube studio, go to the content, select the video, click on edit, just the same way you would edit your description and all of that. Okay, and then scroll all the way till you see show more. That's if you're doing this on a desktop. Scroll till you see show more, click on the show more, scroll further down till you find category. Then choose the appropriate category for your video. Now, once you set it a few times, YouTube will automatically start selecting the right categories for your videos or your uploads. Okay, now if you've watched up till this point, guys, I have a bonus tip for you, and this might be something you have heard over and over again. Okay, guys, my bonus tip for you would be to be patient and consistent. Trust me, these two things actually help you grow on YouTube, because growing on YouTube actually takes time. Forget all people that will tell you, oh, post today, you blow in the night. Let me tell you, these small tweaks here and there will not bring overnight success, but with consistency, you will see improvements, okay? And by helping YouTube understand your content better, you increase your chances of reaching the right audience and just growing your channel, okay? Now, there you have it, guys. 3 steps to make your videos more discoverable and improve your chances of getting more views. At number 1, I mentioned you renaming your video files with keywords. At number 2, I said use relevant tags and update your channel keywords. And number 3, I said set your correct category for your videos. All right. Now, if you would like a part 2 with more tips on how to grow your channel and rank better on YouTube, please let me know in the comment section, because I do have other things that you can implement that would definitely help you rank better on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, to comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff, especially if you found this video helpful. Until I see you guys on the next one, please make sure to stay fabulous and stay consistent. Keep creating amazing content regardless. All right, I love you so much, and of course I would see you guys on the next one. Okay, bye.